Today on AFOL TV, we're building a water cooler. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here at AFOL TV, we do LEGO YouTube tutorials and custom LEGO mocks. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. We're trying to grow this channel and we really appreciate everyone's support so far. We also offer downloadable instructions for a lot of our builds on our website, www.afolstore.com, and the link is in the description below. As mentioned in the opening, we're building a water cooler. So let's get to it. Go ahead and pause the video because these are the parts and pieces you'll need, then come on back because it's time to start building. And that's it. Hope you guys like the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.